We're at 3360 Rothschild. This is in Pensacola off of Scenic Highway in Mallory Heights. We're walking through the front door here into our living area. We have carpeting in the majority of the home and then laminate throughout the rest of the home. So here's our living area. We have lots of good lighting through our front door and our large front windows. Coming to the back, we have our entrance from our carport. This is also where we have our laundry units, or laundry closet rather. And then here is our kitchen. We have all stainless steel appliances, lots of good cabinet storage space, and we have large pantries around the fridge. We also have our backyard through this kitchen as well. The backyard is enclosed. We have a paved area and then we have a greenery area as well. Heading back inside, we'll go back through the living area and we'll go down a short hallway. The first left will be our first bedroom. So this is on the front side of the home. Again, carpeting throughout the living areas and the bedrooms. Directly across the hall, we have our bathroom. This is our full bathroom for guests. This is on the back side of the home. Continuing on, here's our second guest bedroom. This is again on the front side of the home. It's in the corner of the home, so on the far left. We have good sized closet in here as well. Heading back out, and here's our master. This is on the back side of the home, so looks into the backyard. We have our ensuite as well, and there's our closet space. We'll go to the ensuite. We have a walk-in shower here with glass doors. Coming back out. Again, this is 3360 Rothschild, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.